TCC's appointment scheduler is the simplest yet most robust appointment system in the industry. Our scheduling tool will improve customer satisfaction, increase advisor convenience, and let you see it all with our detailed reporting. With over 1,100 easy settings, this appointment system is custom made for every dealership. Let's see how it works. Advisors can initiate an appointment from either the Appointments or Customers tab. Simply select a date and time slot, look up a customer by phone, name, email, DMS ID, or VIN, and then proceed to the appointment screen. Alternatively, you can look up a customer first and then proceed by navigating to New Appointment. Once on the appointment screen, the sky is the limit. Before jumping into services in the maintenance menu, you can easily see and modify customer information, vehicle information, and the appointment time and details. Next, let's add some services. From the appointment screen, you have access to your maintenance menu with the ability to show good, better, best options along with additives or specific services. This is also where you'll find OEM specific services and the ability to check for recalls. If you already know what you need and don't want to look through this screen, services can be added via quick search. Lines added to the appointment can also be individually edited or modified. When saving the appointment, you'll be given the option to send the customer a confirmation via email, text, or both. Now we can navigate back to our customer screen and appointment calendar and see that the appointment is populated in both. You can easily view or modify current appointments at a glance from your monthly calendar or daily dashboard, with breakdowns and filters for advisors, departments, and everything else you might need. Last but not least, let's take a look at the customer perspective when scheduling online. Our scheduler easily embeds into your dealership website, and all imagery and messaging is customized to fit your dealership brand. Returning customers can easily log in to pull up their vehicle information, but here we're starting from scratch to show you the ease with which customers can quickly follow along to get exactly what they need with no hassle. Customers can navigate through our maintenance menus, which support every make, model, and trim in North America to find the services they need, with OEM suggested services and recall checks available. Time slot availability is always set up in the way that most benefits your dealership process, and customers can easily choose from available dates and times. Finally, customers will be able to choose how they wish to receive their confirmation, and then add the appointment to their calendar if they'd like. With incredible ease of access for both your staff and the customer, along with a high degree of automation and customizability, our appointment system is handcrafted to help your dealership succeed. So if you're looking to change or improve your appointment system, look no further than TCC.